Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically shut down your PC after a certain time. First, open the Windows search bar and type Run, then open it. You can also press Windows key plus R as a shortcut. Now type the following command, shutdown space -s space -t, followed by the number of seconds you want to wait. For example, if we want to shut down after 1 hour, we need to convert that to seconds. 60 minutes times 60 seconds equals 3,600 seconds. So we write 3,600 after -t, like this. Then hit Enter or click OK to execute the command. You will immediately receive a notification telling you that you'll be signed out after the time you just set. Your PC will now automatically shut down when the timer reaches 0. If you change your mind and want to cancel the auto shutdown, just open Run again and type shutdown space -a, then press Enter. This will abort the scheduled shutdown. And that's it. You now know how to schedule and cancel automatic shutdowns on Windows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.